Special roll forming lines ready to ship. Lotus Forming offers a selection of special roll forming lines ready to ship, providing customers with a faster and more convenient solution for starting or expanding their production. These machines are manufactured, assembled, and tested in advance, helping reduce lead times compared with fully customized production. Our ready-to-ship roll forming lines are available for different construction and industrial applications, including steel framing, solar mounting structures, decking, channels, and other metal profiles. By choosing a ready-to-ship machine, customers can benefit from shorter delivery time, reduced waiting period for production, factory-tested equipment, professional roll forming technology, high production efficiency, reliable machine components, technical support before and after delivery, suitable solutions for urgent production requirements. Available machines may include stud and track roll forming machines, floor deck roll forming lines, Omega furring channel machines, structural stud and track lines, solar channel roll forming machines, and other specialized roll forming equipment. 25 mm. This floor decking roll forming machine is designed to process steel material up to 1.1 millimeters thickness with a production speed of 25 mm. It is engineered for stable and continuous production of high-quality floor decking profiles for steel construction and composite floor systems. 2. 1.5 millimeters Omega furring channel roll forming machine, 30 mm. The Omega furring channel roll forming machine is designed for 1.5 millimeter steel material and operates at a production speed of 30 mm. The line provides precise profile forming and consistent dimensions for ceiling and drywall framing applications. 3. 1.5, 3.2 millimeters structural stud and track roll forming machine, 20 mm. This structural stud and track roll forming machine is designed for a material thickness range of 1.5, 3.2 millimeters and a production speed of 20 mm. Its heavy-duty configuration is suitable for manufacturing structural C-stud and U-track profiles used in light-gauge steel framing and structural steel construction. 4. 0.4 millimeters stud and track roll forming machine, 30 mm. Designed for lightweight framing applications, this stud and track roll forming machine processes 0.4 millimeter steel material at a production speed of 30 mm. The line is suitable for continuous production of lightweight C-stud and U-track profiles for drywall and interior partition systems. The exact machine configuration, material thickness, production speed, profile dimensions, punching requirements, and cutting system may vary depending on the available equipment. Customers can contact the Lotus Forming team to confirm current machine availability and technical specifications. Whether you're starting a new production project or need to increase your existing manufacturing capacity, Lotus Forming's special roll forming lines ready to ship can help you reduce project lead time and move toward production faster. Please contact our experts for more information about available machines, technical specifications, delivery schedules, and customization options.